Are you having problems with your Apple Magic Mouse not turning on and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can try to fix this problem. So the first way is going to be for you to check this little, like as you can see, this little switch right here. So currently if this one is off and you want to be able to toggle this one on right here, and just wait a couple of seconds and then try once again. If it still is not working, even after you have actually turned on the mouse itself, and if it still is not working for you, what you can do after that is that you are just going to actually turn it back off again. So you're going to turn it back off again, as you can see, and then what you're going to do after about 1 or 2 minutes, you're going to turn your mouse back on again. This can sometimes for some reason reset the mouse, and basically it can work. It has actually worked for me one time. I don't know why. Maybe this does for some reason, like maybe if you like have your mouse turned on like super long, even though you have like enough battery, sometimes maybe it can go like, I don't know, like on a random offline mode, I don't know. So just turn it on, turn it off, wait like 2-3 minutes, turn it back on and try once again. And if that is still not working, like another obvious reason it can be if you haven't yet charged your mouse for like a long time. So try to charge it as well and wait like, I would say at least 10 minutes and try again. If that is also not working, what you have to do then it might be something like wrong with the mouse itself, like something maybe like serious, it's hard to tell. But what you can do is that you need to have this kind of cable right here, as you can see. So this one right here, you're going to insert this one right here, as you can see, this one right here. So you're going to insert it in here, and then this other like side right here, as you can see, this one goes into like if you have an Apple computer, like a MacBook or a Mac, that is like golden basically. So just put this one into your Mac or your MacBook basically, and then what is going to happen then is that you will most likely get like a pop-up on your computer that you will be able to see the mouse basically that is connected, and in there you can click on it, and then you can basically reset it or like fix it from there. And hopefully you will be able to actually reset the mouse after you have actually connected it to an Apple computer. And if there is something wrong with the mouse itself after you have connected it, most likely it's going to actually give you some error message, and you can click on it, and hopefully you will be able to basically reset your mouse by doing it from the computer itself. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.